Grog, the Black Panther. Grog, the Wolf. A quick, aggressive attack. The wolf is trying to take him down.
He's got the leg. This is where the wolf's raw power wins.
The body check. A truly devastating shot. The wolf is dazed.
The wolf is berserk. The final pounce. He's got him pinned. This is a cover.
The Black Panther escaped. A shocking, high-energy counterattack.
All-out war. What a struggle.
Oh my goodness. The wolf has him by the neck. What a show of power.
1, 2.
3. The wolf wins. Unbelievable. The undisputed champion.